Hello friends, this is section 5 data visualization report. In this section we are going to learn what is data visualization, importance of data visualization in our practical life and the way we are going to create our dashboard and report. What is report? Some common visualization present in our Microsoft Power BI dashboard, and at the end we are going to create a report in our Microsoft Power BI desktop. Till now what we have learned, the section what we have covered: introduction of Power BI, connectivity and transformation, data modeling, DAX, and now we are going to learn report and dashboard. So in introduction, what we learned, what is Power BI, what is BI, and how it is going to change our thought process. The second one was connectivity and transformation, how we can connect several type of database data sets in our Microsoft Power BI dashboard or desktop. Data modeling, how we can convert our raw data into meaningful dimensional tables and fact tables. DAX, in the DAX we learn to create the formula to get the KPIs, create the measures, create the calculated columns, and many complex things. And now we are going to learn report and dashboard. What is data visualization? Data visualization in Power BI is a crucial aspect of data analysis, enabling business to collect the valuable insights from their raw data quickly and effectively. In short, transforming raw data into a meaningful insight. Okay. Power BI provides visualizations such as bar charts, line charts, map, cards, tables, and many more, which we can use to create our report or dashboard. In Power BI, user can create report visualization by dragging and dropping fields into a canvas. It is very easy to work with our Power BI desktop because everything is ready over there. We just have to drag and drop the visualizations in our canvas and we can share it over the network. User can also apply filters, group data and perform calculation to create more complex visualization. As we worked with the DAX operations and all, we have created KPIs, measures, calculated columns, and that time we are able to track that values or data into our visualization. We'll check all these things when we are going to work with data creation, table creation, report creation, or dashboard creation. Created visualization are used to explore the data, identify patterns and trends, and communicate the insights to others. With the help of dashboard or report, it is very easy to identify the patterns and trends, and quickly we can grab the insights of their business. It is very easy to pass the things to the end users to get all the details in a single view. Importance of data visualization: with the help of visualization we have so many points which we can highlight here, but we have collected few of them which is very important to understand how this visualization is going to be help us in a practical life. Better understanding of data, improving communication, faster and better decision making, increasing accuracy, better collaboration. Okay, these are 5 points what we have collected. Better understanding, like humans are visual creatures, so it is very easy for them to grab all the important insights of the business from a visuals. Okay, data visualization help translate numbers into a visual context, making it easy to grab the information and identify trends that might be missed in our raw data. Improve communication. Like data visualization are powerful communication tool. They help to present data insights in a clear and compiled way, making it easy to share findings with the colleague, with the company, with the stakeholders. Faster decision making. Like with the help of this, it is very easy to make your decision quickly with the help of graphs and charts. By turning data into visual stories, data visualization empower users to make informed decisions based on the evidence on the dashboards. Increase accuracy. Like by looking the charts and visualizations, the end user can easily find out the accuracy of the data what they have provided to the end users to create the dashboard. Better collaboration. Uh, with Power BI, user can create interactive dashboard and reports that can be shared with colleagues, enabling better collaboration and decision making. So these are the 5 points which uh, give us enough evidence to use data visualization rather than using the old fashioned trends, tabular form or the raw data kind of thing to perform the activities, to make the decisions, to check the accuracy kind of things. What is report? A report is a collection of visualization, charts, graphs, tables, etc., and other elements such as images or text box, which are based on data imported into Power BI. Reports are typically created to provide insights and analyze on the data. Users can design report by selecting the appropriate visualization and arrange them on a canvas to tell the data-driven story or to communicate key findings to stakeholders. Visualization, interactivity, customization, data connectivity or connection, shares and collaboration. So these are 5 features what we are going to use or going to these 5 features are going to help us to create a report with the help of good visualization, interactivity, like easily we can filter the things, filter the records, customize any point of time, we can customize is easily, we can make the changes over the charts and graphs, we can use the cards and KPIs, and the filters we can perform. Data connection, we can easily connect several types of databases or data sets like CSV file, Excel sheet, text file, or SQL server, APIs, all those things. Sharing and collaboration. We can easily share our created report over the Power BI services with the connected networks. They may be your colleague, your manager, reporting manager, or the stakeholders. So these are the features and the definition of report. Some common data visualization. And here I have collected few of the visualization which is very frequently we are using while creating our report or dashboard, like cards. Cards are there to represent the KPIs or the calculated values, measures, etc. Pie chart is there. We can perform the pie chart. We can use pie chart on the basis of total sales, on the basis of countries, total sales on the basis of genders, total sales on the basis of currency or the status. Like we have column charts, we have dongle chart, we have clustered bar chart. Here we have line chart in which we can compare like your past revenue, current revenue, and expected future revenues. And the map we can use if in any data sheet we have locations and countries, then we can use map, and you can get these kind of bubbles over the map. On the basis of revenue generated, you can change the size of that bubble. Here few more visualizations which we are going to use. Like this is our slicer. Slicer means with the help of slicers we can perform a kind of sorting or filtering, like drop down what are performing. We can perform, we can give the limit like 1 to this rank we want the record. It will easily slice, it will filter the record and display over our charts. Here is the drop down. This is also comes under slicer. There are so many options which we can select, like slicer, select all, or single select kind of. Area chart is there which we are going to use while creating a report. Then waterfall chart is there and matrix is there. And matrix we can easily find out the columns, and at the end of columns we can get the like what is the summation of these things and what is the average. We can change these things on the basis of requirement. So these all are few commonly used visualization in our Microsoft Power BI desktop. Let's create a report in our Power BI desktop. So this is the data set. And now I'm going to add one new page here. Correct. This page, page 2, we need to right click here and rename. Okay. We can say sales underscore new. Okay. So this is the new sheet, new canvas on which we are going to create our report or dashboard, you can say. Correct. When we click on this is our canvas. Okay. Click on this one. You will get all the properties which is related to this page or canvas, you can say. Page information, you can rename it from here, and few more options are there. Same thing, canvas setting is there, canvas background is there, canvas wallpaper is there. Click on wallpaper, click on this option. It is good to add a background image. Okay, this is a background image what I have um, uploaded over here with the help of this box. You have image fit option is there, fit or fill, fit, and transparency you can set. I'm setting 40%. This is the way how we are going to add background image in our report. You can also add canvas background image from this place as well. Let me select this one. Okay, so you can add similarly, you have same options there, fit and transparency. You will get things here and you will get correct. For now I'm removing this one. Let me check again. Canvas background, we have given the color, and transparency I'm going to use as 100%. Correct. So only wallpaper image is visible right now. Let's add one card here. Okay, this is a card, and I'm going to add one measure here. Measure like total sales. Correct. So total sales is this much. We have created measure earlier. Okay, you can refer our previous videos to get to know how we have created measures and how we have created new table where we have collected all the measures. So this is our card. First thing what we need to do, we need to add a title here and need to remove the total sales what by default we are getting. Click on this one, format your visual. Click here, and in category label uncheck this, we may mark as off, and then go to the general, and in the title click here and add total sale. Now the heading is there, you can say title is there, and we have options are there. You can make the change the font size, font type, text, and along with these things you can also make the background. Let me check the background what we can put. Background blue, text I'm going to put as white, alignment center, and what else is there, title is there. Okay, we have done mark as 15. Yeah, then come down effects, and this is the background. We can choose the background color. I'm choosing this one, mark as this one. Then put the transparency as 60, 55. Directly you can put here like 50. After the background we have visual border. Open this one, make as on. Visual borders I'm selecting as white, and the round it is good to mark as 20. And the last one and main important thing is shadow. On shadow white, and you can put the offset and the position of the shadow, right corner, top, kind of things. So this is the card what we have created, and it is looking nicely. We have made all the changes over there. Just click this one, Control C and Control V. It will help us to create new card with the same properties. For this we are showing total sales. Now we are going to show total customer. Total customer, drag this total customer and put it here. Fields, not total customer. Again we have to change the title. Go to this property, come to general, title is there, you can mark as total customer. Correct. Same. Control C, Control V, total product, it is for total product, and here title total product, and for the total product we have this one, total product, and we need to go to the visuals, this one, correct, and drag total. Now the total, it is representing the count of total product. Again, Control C and Control V. Now we are going to get total country here. How many countries are there, or you can say cities there, total city. Okay, drag and drop here, total city. Here, this is for sales, customer, product, and country. Again, we need to change the title. Here, this is city is total city. Sorry, it is not Control Z. We have to change this one. Total. Okay. Now we have all these four KPIs. We'll put it here, or we can add the text box here for details or for anything. Like if you want to add the text box here, you can easily drag a text box here, and all the properties what we have made the changes, you can mark the quick details about sales. Okay, you can make the changes here, you can increase the font, you can make the changes, you can highlight this like blue, you can background color also you can change the format, etc. Correct. Like for text box also you will get these kind of properties. Now these are the card, this is the text box what we have used. Move this to this and this. Okay, these all are the cards. Now I'm going to add a column chart. So we have a column chart, and in the column chart we are going to represent our customer and total sales, or in the fact sales table we have amount per unit, average sales, and what else we have total quantity sales, total sales. We can click this sales. Okay, sales is there, just click this one. Let's check what it is going to. Total customer and customer sales both are there in the y-axis, but we don't want both of the thing on y-axis. Drag this to the x-axis. 1 second. Okay, this is total customer. We don't want total customer, we want customer IDs only. Okay, customer ID is there. X-axis we can use customer ID. So it will show you the all the customers and the sales what they have performed. Correct. Similarly, we can use pie chart. In the pie chart, we can use our total sales from this one and total sales. Then we can use product category, product size we can use. See, we have these many size categories are there. We can easily use the size, and on the basis of size we have all the sales it is representing. Correct. Similarly, we can use dongle chart is there. For dongle chart we are going to use total customer and country. Total customer is there and total city is there. On the basis of city ID we can find out in the place your product customer and customer detail, product, shipping city is there, we can country. Okay, so it is showing the total number of customers in all the countries what we are getting. Okay, this is total customer and total country. These are the way we can use our table values as well as our measures in our report. We have line chart here. Okay, line strike chart, line chart is there. Can use this line chart here. And in the line chart, what we can do for x-axis, we are going to put our year in x-axis. Okay, we have shipping year in x-axis. Okay, and in y-axis we are going to put our sales. It is showing yearly sales, how our sales is fluctuating in between. Correct. And the next what I will show you, dongle is there, price chart is there, and area chart is there. Similarly, area chart also performs same thing. Okay, in the area we can do one thing. We can use uh, in y-axis total product, and in x-axis we can do one thing. In the product we have size. Okay, we can use this size in x-axis. So this is the way, this is the size, and this is the product, total product numbers what we have collected with the help of measure. So this is the way how we are putting the values and how we are creating the reports in our Microsoft Power BI. To create the KPIs, make the changes on the background, make the changes on header. Similarly, what the changes we have performed for this card, we also can do same thing for this pie chart, dongle chart, line chart, column chart, and all other chart. Just we need to click here, go to the property window, values are there, and the general properties are there. Detail level, if you want to change this detail level from the header level, you can change this one. Legend is there, slicer is there. Legend, if you don't want, you can easily remove this. Slicer is there, rotation is there. In the general, similarly you will get title is there. Title, if you want to change, make any changes in the title color, title background, title uh, font size, anything in this way. If you want to change the background of this one, go to the effect, background is there, make the background as uh, 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 this one, and transparency mark as 50%. Visual border is there, you can make border. Shadow is there, shadow on. Okay, so many properties are there which help you to create a UI which suits better for your requirement. These are the way how we are using our KPIs, our charts in our report. If you don't want to make the changes every time in all are your charts, what you need to do, you need to just delete these all charts, remove from here, remove this from here, remove this from here, remove this from here. Okay, we have made all the changes for this chart. Okay, here we have put all the changes. If you want to make the similar kind of chart with the similar properties, just make Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, it will give you the new chart. You just have to go and change the chart type. Now dongle chart is there with the same property what we are using for pie chart. And if you want to change uh, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, with the similar properties you will get pie chart as well as column chart. Here you can use this pie chart, and line chart is there. See, line chart also with the same background, with the same heading, with the same kind of properties, you can easily get this line chart as well. Okay, just drag and drop with the help of mouse as well as with the help of your arrow keys, you can make all the changes here. And at the end I'm going to Control C, Control V, put it here. I'm going to use here line chart. Okay, line chart with the sales. Okay, this is the line chart, and here I'm going to use, for y-axis should be total sales, correct, and x-axis I'm going to use customer first name. I have created customer table here, dim table, customer name is there, x-axis, customer name. Now this is the way how we can, you can also make the changes in the color, font, size, what you are getting here. Okay, do one thing, remove this size from here. Okay, and go to this one, grid line is there, zoom is there, lines are there, lines for all. If you have different axes are there, then you can make the changes. Lines are there, see here you can make the changes. Solid, which kind of line you want to change the color, you can easily do. Like if you want black, you can black, and transparency should be there. Total to the black is there, we have made the transparent. Strokes, linear, solid, you want dotted, you want dash, you can make the changes with the help of these properties. This is the way how we are going to create our report in Microsoft Power BI desktop. And then in the next lecture I'm going to explain you how we can put filters in this reports, and how we are going to share the report over the Power BI services. Thank you for watching this video. It's recommended to watch previous videos as well for the more clarification.